we went to various Facebook pages and asked the people of the Northeast what their wish list was, and this is what they had to say. But while that wish list is playing out, Seema, what according to you would be the single biggest problem or the issue that would need to be addressed?
I just feel security. It's very, very important. See the kind of killings that has happened in various parts of the Northeast. I think that should stop. It's about time. I know, I mean, Modi can't do much about it because it's all state government, but there should be a very strong directive that you stop this killing. This ethnic cleansing that's going on all over, I mean, somewhere it has to stop. I mean, and somewhere people must sit down and talk. Yes, Northeast, it's a very, very complex problem.
I think the key issue is the peace. You have problems in the Northeast as much as in any other country. And all societies where you have multi-religious, multi-ethnic groups, of course there are bound to be tensions. And these are nothing new, not in a way very specific to the Northeast, which the government of India had taken, is a security approach. So you appoint all the retired bureaucrats, all the retired intelligence officials who for the rest of their life had actually spent chasing the insurgents, and now you send them as interlocutors.
Now time has come where the Modi government needs to look out for a new strategy, where there should be one strategy which looks at how peace and ethnic conflict can be negotiated, can be taken care of, how the peace processes can be brought to a logical conclusion.
When we specifically see Look East policy, it's very Delhi-centric, you see. And when we say Look East, it basically means Delhi is looking towards the east.
Youth coming out of school and all, when they don't have jobs, the easiest way to make money in many areas of the Northeast is to take a gun. Isn't it? Some of them in Garo Hills and all, Shillong, I don't know, what are they complaining about? I just don't understand.
The other thing that's
because
also
it's
come
easy
up
way to get money.
is the drugs, and the drugs are a concern.
The reason why I'm saying drugs is because we have got an act here. It's called Sikkim Anti-Drug Act, which was enacted in 2006. And this act, simply criminalizes or simply sues those people into drugs. What it says is like, the first point that I personally oppose or feel should be amended is like when somebody gets caught with a drug, like that person in that act says like should be sent for detoxification followed by rehabilitation.
Second, we are facing with issues like drug abuse, suicides. We have the highest rate of suicide. We do not have problems of insurgency.
In this, we in the Northeast have this habit of whining always. We didn't do this government, do something yourself, demand it from the government and get it. We really whine a lot. And, we should demand things from the government and get it.